Hello students, today we are going to read the 5th lesson from our EVS textbook. This is page number 23. The name of the lesson is Useful Animals. USEFUL Useful ANIMALS Animals. Animals help us in many ways. We get many THINGS things from them. We keep a few useful 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 ANIMALS animals like cows 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 BUFFALOES buffaloes HENS hens DUCKS ducks and SHEEP sheep at FARMS farms. They are FARM farm ANIMALS animals. They are farm animals. Cows, buffaloes, hens, ducks and sheep are called farm animals. We get milk from animals like cows, goats and buffaloes. So in this picture you can see the animals that give us milk, that is cow, goat and buffalo. These three animals give us milk. Milk is good for health. HEALTH health. Milk is a complete 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 food as it has all the nutrients 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 required 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 by our body. We use milk to make many things. Yes, what are the things that we make from milk? Butter 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 CHEESE cheese CURD curd KHOYA khoya. All these things are made from milk. We make many things from milk. Some animals like hens and ducks give us egg. You can see here the picture of hen and duck. So the hen and the duck, they give us eggs. Some of us eat eggs. Some animals like hens, goats, crabs, crabs, prawns, prawns and fish give us flesh. FLESH flesh or MEAT meat. We cook their flesh to eat. So here you can see fish, prawn, crab. So what do we get from these animals? We get flesh from these animals, and some human beings eat the flesh or meat which is obtained from these animals. Page number 24. We get wool 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 from sheep SHEEP sheep. Wool is used to make woolen WOLLEN woolen clothes CLOTHES clothes. In winter 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 we wear woolen clothes. So you can see here in this picture We get the wool from the sheep. The wool is made into a yarn, and from this yarn various clothes of wool are made like cap, gloves, sweaters. We get leather, Leather, leather from the skin, skin of dead, dead animals like camels, cows, buffaloes and snakes. Leather is used for making, making many things like shoes, shoes, bags, purses, jackets and belts, belts. It is wrong, wrong to kill animals for leather. We should use the skin of only dead animals for leather. So which are the things that are made from leather? Bags, belts, purses, jackets, shoes. Various objects are made from leather, and the leather is obtained from the skin of dead animals. Also, we can see we get silk, silk from silkworms, silkworms, silkworms. So, can you see here? This is the silkworm, and the silk that is obtained from the silkworm is used to make various types of silk clothes, silk bands, silk frocks. Various clothes are prepared from the silk fabric. Some animals make our work easy. So the ox, the buffaloes, then the elephants, camels, donkeys, horses, they help us in various ways. The ox, they help us to plow our field. Plough, plow our fields. Some animals like elephant, horse, camel and donkey carry loads for us. Some animals carry goods and people. Some animals carry goods and people from one place to another. So the elephants, then donkey, they carry loads, heavy loads for human beings, and the camels and the horses, they carry goods as well as people from one place to other place. Page number 25. Other useful animals. We like to eat honey, honey, honey. What is honey? In Marathi we call it mud. It is very sweet. It has a sweet taste. We get honey and beeswax from honey bees. It is good to take honey in cough, cough and cold. So can you see here the honey bee? What do we get from the honey bees? The honey bees, they collect honey or they collect the juice from the flowers, which is converted into honey. We get honey from the honeybee comb. Also we get beeswax, and this wax is used in various beautifying products. The dung of horses, dung, that is the waste of horses, cows, camels and goats, is used as manure, manure. Manure means khat. In the fields, 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 cow dung cakes are used as fuel, F-U-E-L, fuel in villages, V-I-L-L-A-G-E-S, villages. We keep some animals as pets in our homes. Example, dogs, parrots and cats. So the animals like cat, dog, parrots, they are kept as pet animals. Dogs guard, G-U-A-R-D, guard our homes. They also help police, P-O-L-I-C-E, police, to catch thieves, T-H-I-E-V-E-S, thieves. Cats keep rats away from our homes. Pet animals and farm animals are called domestic animals, D-O-M-E-S-T-I-C, domestic animals. We should take care of animals. We should be kind to animals. They are also living things like us. We should not tease, T-E-A-S-E, tease them. We should keep them clean. We should give them good food, clean water and a safe and clean shelter, S-H-E-L-T-E-R, shelter. We should take the sick, S-I-C-K, sick animals to the veterinary, V-E-T-E-R-I-N-A-R-Y, veterinary doctor. Veterinary doctor is a doctor who looks after the sick animals. Animals are our friends. They make our world, W-O-R-L-D, world, wonderful, W-O-N-D-E-R-F-U-L, wonderful. Animals are our friends. They make our world wonderful.